Vice President Nehusu samla Esterson Sotun ula Shah Ktah bat Shah Shok hakibru ki bamde ki trajela ki bala lekmen ya ka holi hapo ka skul ba Nehu. Haba ya kren bat kilat patai kubor une usamla ulong ba omdan jing tmu ban lekang ya Kadei ke jing le niem jang ki Hindu namar ba kari India Kadei kari ke ba ai jing lai loj ban maneble nre ke jing kami bawan ya simpenta pa da kibru ki banabar ki bamde ki kena skul Nehu Henry Kadei penban kinongilam ka akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Hakati pat kaliang ka Abvp habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor Shillong Press Club lingba secretary pat kiwe ki dekat kila kam ba Kadei ke jingjia huri hura Kadei ke bala dep don jing tmu lupa ban pin kulmar pat pin senge ya Kadei ke program.
Te mestam ni ke ta phun nai kai kinai kai jongi tengah lek kai nama Kadei holy jongi nalik wish ke te dadam to ngawan ki don ki khna ba yelom apa ni apa lakeside tengi lake pack takadon kawai ka banar ba thong to ba ki celebrate tengi ngimdon problem ye ki celebrate holy jangno kata te Kadei ka secular countries but ka Nehru kibun ki communities lani ki niam ko fer jing la niam chongno umju prasad henrai haba ngile ni pack pada to ki don katukan nengut ki ba simla dei ki khna Nehu kamtam kidei ki don katukan nengut ki badei ki nong yalam chongka Abvp tengi kamlai da kabor sisa ni khot ye security in charge ni jong ba nong rang nang tai security ni khot ki ban le ekran ki ba kin le nata ba nai one le politics Nehu lengba kini ki festival tengi le ekran hak por ba ekran te uang kan san ban ba ki khasi ki persya ye ka holi kiong ba ki kwa ban sna issue jing ye phir jai man riu khasi bat ki ni ki ban rithor te hangta ki don ki ba ong ban ring video tanga ban ong ban ring video ngam kwa re ban escalate kini ki issue ngasim ngakni ya ga mobile jong tau khna hadin ba kni ya tang mobile ki attack yang nga ha jing attack jong nga defend yel de te ki bok yang ki bok da to ka ba ki shat dang akti pa kini ka tiru lamang tangaru nga yada nga haban yadal de mendere ba ki ba shuwan na bar kin shule khan sne nga ban yadal de te kadon ke jing ya class to aprang jong nga bat ki tu gi kinong ilam Abvp hi ngan ong ki banan Nehu te nging lai ong be ki balong nai ki banan Nehu ngim dan problem re ya ki khna banan Nehu bara la ban celebrate eid ba celebrate kan wono ga jaj la niam jing la niam han rai ki bri hi ba wan na bar ba kwa ban sna politics ya ka ikai Nehu inam sha re dalai te nak ta daw ngi khamlai de daga bor ban sulai ban suang stop ngi kham pas nga hadu mentar kita ngi shar kita ya la kai ki khna rengi lej ban ekran bat ki security hi ngi ong ba bade ban phano ikini khna bom de Nehu yo kaja ke jing kulmar namar kumbo phila teb hi ba to sngi nak daw jing pensanga ya ka seminar hapo ini department kla don ke jing wan katukan ni bru ban ba ngimtep mano bawan yung tebre henry kidan ki ba ong ba ki target ya general secretary jongi bat ya finance jongi ki ba don ha ka kanhun sang malang tengi ngila ong lupa ya ka ebiru ngam tebre ki yo permission ne kimyo te la sang en try ngin sa itep sai ba ki yo ne kimyo ban banisha ban ya komen ngim don problem henry long ban organize kinu ki kanhun ki ba nabar ba kin wan le try ne ha ka
My question is to him, because he said that Abvp member attacked him. Who actually attacked him? He'll have to bring to us. He'll have to, give the name of the person who exactly attacked him. And we received the information that he made an allegation against the Abvp organization. So he said that we attacked them first. But we were in the sport and we know each and everything. I was in the program from the beginning till the end. So the security was also told us that they called to them and they the vice president of Nehusu called them to come to the sport because he said that there is something going to happen during the celebration of Holi. It means they have a pre-planned, they have made and common intention among them to attack, during the celebration of Holi festival. So the statement given by him is completely wrong and is 100% false. And he said that he was in hospital. We don't even touch his body. Nobody touched his body. How can he say that he was hospitalized now? He got injured. We don't believe that. And he'll have to prove. And I want to say, if he knows that it was attacked by the Abvp member, why he did not file an FIR against a particular person? Because the court will bring the justice. Court will reveal the truth. So I want to say, it is a completely false and wrong, and they are playing a politics against the Abvp organization, because they are trying to bring the bad names to our organization, and they'll have to prove who actually attacked him. Otherwise, for blaming our organization, we'll file a defamation case against them.